Now, the second most common problem is to do with chords. So you already know that I like to use level 1 chords that only use a couple of fingers because they're easier to do. But for the sake of the argument, we'll approach this from the angle of using some level 3 as well. But when it comes to chords buzzing, there's only 3 causes. Number 1 is we're not close enough to the fret. So if I'm playing a C chord and I've got my finger in the middle, I'm going to get that buzz sound. So the next solution is to make sure I'm up near the fret. And in the event that I am doing a multiple finger chord, what I want to do is make sure that if my first finger is in the right spot, up near the fret, it's going to be a lot easier for my third finger to be in the right spot. And my third finger, if you start behind the line, all your other fingers get pulled back as well, and then every string becomes buzzy as opposed to just one of them. So make sure you're right up near the fret to begin with. Number 2 is we're not squeezing hard enough. So again, you just need to make sure you're always squeezing, and when you're squeezing up near the fret, you're not going to have to squeeze as hard. Number 3, and this is generally the most likely problem, that one or more of your fingers is blocking the string below. And generally it occurs when that buddy part of your finger, the little bud there, is blocking it. So with the C chord, for example, if your thumb is over the top, I already know you're going to have this sound. So you need to make sure your thumb is low and your finger comes forward. Watch my wrist right here, right now. When I put my thumb low, my whole hand opens up. I'll show you that from the side. Thumb up high, my wrist bent back. Look how tense my arm is here. All my tendons are pulled. Whereas if I put my hand like that, my whole arm relaxes, and look at how much easier my fingers can curve and reach there. So this is why we need to have our thumb low, our fingers curved, and lower your thumb. It may be a little bit uncomfortable having a wrist bend like this, but that will, stretch as you warm to playing guitar. But if you do that one, before you know it, you'll have everything under control.